Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the insert tab of the Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So the options which are seen here might not be available in some of the older versions. Okay, so please note again some of these options will not be available in the older versions. Okay, so now let's start with the insert tab. In the insert tab I can add pictures. Okay, in the insert tab, as seen in the last video, I added a screenshot also. I can add different shapes, okay, whichever you would like to use. For example, this shape. Okay, next, again I will add another shape. Let's change the color of the shape. Let's remove the border of the shape. Again, I'm going to remove the border. Now next option which is given here, icons, it is only available in the newer versions. It will not work in my PC also because I am not connected with the internet. Next one is the 3D model. Again, it is used in the new version only. Okay, whichever you would like to use. You can also change the views, whichever you would like to do, or you can change manually also. Okay, next, smart art, where you can create chart. This option is similar to that we had used in the Word. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this. Let's create a new slide for it and use. Now we can add. Okay, this is how you can change the design and colors, whichever you would like to use, or you can create your own design and colors also. Okay, you can choose your own also by using the format options. For example, I'm going to add the outline here and change it. Okay, you can do this way also. Next option is the chart. This is similar with we had used in the Word, and we will discuss in more detail how to use chart efficiently. Next option is the zoom option. Okay, next are the link option. For example, I want to add a link here. You can add the link. Okay, you can type the google.com or whichever link you would like to add. It depends on you. Next, action button. Okay, so it gives the selected object in an action to carry out when you click the mouse over it. For example, you can go to the next slide or open a new program, whichever you would like to do. Okay, let's select this and action, run program, browse. Okay, you can just add the program here. Okay, by simply going where your programs are basically given. Okay, just you need to go to that folder. Okay, again, if you don't want to use this, just click on none. Now zoom option, slide zoom option. I am going to use slide zoom option here. Okay, now see what happens if I use slide zoom option. Okay, you can use this way. Okay, summary zoom. Now again, you can see how it worked. So you can see the difference between it, how it worked. Similar to Word, you can add comment, you can add text box, okay, you can add header and footer, slide number. Here the word page number will not be given. Here the word slide number would be used in this. And also you can change the fonts also. Okay. And next, word art option, whichever you would like to use. Okay. Whichever you would like to use. Next, equation. This equation is similar which you had used in the word. Similar is for the symbol. Okay. You can add video if you would like to add the video. You can add the audio, or you can also record the video, but please not this version is only available in the newer versions. Next, screen recording. If you want to record your computer screen and related audio before inserting the recording, okay, into your slide, you can use this screen recording version. Again, this option is available only in the newer versions. Okay, now again back to this slide. I'm deleting some of the contents. Let's select these two shapes. Okay, let's select these two shapes. Now I can combine this by using the group. Now this will work as a whole. You can also add dinosaur here and add here. I can also individually increase the shape, and I want to now next I will combine all this shape, group the all this shape. Next, right click again, group, regroup. Okay, now let's say I want to change the color of this shape given here, which is the pentagon. Go in more details of the editing right now. I would like to use the picture fill, for example, or the texture which are given here, or whichever you would like to use. It depends on you. Or the pattern fill, you can select the color also for the same. Okay, so again it depends you whichever color you would like to add. Okay, you can align these objects, you can combine these objects, even you can edit the points also. Okay, you can change the shapes also if you want to change. Okay, so it depends you which type of function you would like to use here. You can also rotate. Okay, you can see what happen if I use rotate, as there are numerous objects which are involved here. I can change again this dinosaur also. Can increase or decrease the size. Okay, this is how it works. Now next, in this further, if you want to again change or add alt text options, okay, these are the some of the options where the accessibility is used. Okay, you can inspect the color, you can change the font color and check the accessibility. So some of the errors which are given here, you can resolve it or mark it decorative, whatever you would like to do. Okay, or you can ungroup also, whichever you would like to do. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.